Hi guys, welcome to Babuji Academy from Alizai Group of Channels. Guys, today I am welcoming you with a new video and a new topic. Our today topic is AIDS. In today's video lecture we will study that what are the symptoms, transmission and treatment of AIDS. AIDS is derived as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired mean attaining, immunity mean protection from diseases, syndrome mean collection or combination of symptoms of a disease, and deficiency mean loss. So AIDS is a life-threatening condition which is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. Symptoms of AIDS include rapid weight loss, extreme tiredness, sores of the mouth. Sores mean burning sensation of the mouth, anus or genital areas. Genital areas include reproductive organs. Night sweats and pneumonia, memory loss and depression are some symptoms of AIDS. Depression means overthinking or any sort of other pressure. Transmission of AIDS include it can be transmitted through sexual contact or through blood transfusion. Like if your partner is infected with AIDS and you are doing a sexual intercourse, you have a greater chances of getting AIDS. Close contacts between patients and healthy person. A close contact between a patient having AIDS and a healthy person can cause AIDS. By sharing needle blades which are infected with human immunodeficiency virus can cause AIDS. Treatment of AIDS include no specific vaccine or drugs are available to treat AIDS, but still there are some anti-human immunodeficiency virus drugs are used to control and slow down the reproduction of virus. For better work, combined drugs are used which are termed as antiretroviral therapy. Okay guys, let me summarize what we studied. We studied that AIDS is a life-threatening condition caused by HIV. Symptoms include rapid weight loss, extreme tiredness, sores of the mouth, anus or genital areas, night sweats and pneumonia, memory loss or depression. Transmission can be occurred through sexual contact, blood transfusion, close contact between patient and a healthy person, infected needle and blade sharing. Treatment, no specific vaccine are there for treatment of AIDS. Still anti-HIV drugs are used to slow down the reproduction of virus. For better work, combined drugs are used which are termed as antiretroviral therapy. Guys, it was our today's video lecture about the symptoms of AIDS, how AIDS is transmitted and how we do the treatment of AIDS. Guys, if you like my video, then press the like, share and subscribe button, and also tell me below in the comment box that how was today's video.